Well, I think we have to continue to share knowledge about the digital tools and encourage our customers to be more comfortable with it. In the Bahamas, we're kind of, shy with using technology, but the more we share the information, we have wonderful features, videos, presentations, just making them feel more comfortable about using the tools. I think it will be better.
More and more effort is being put into making these platforms as intuitive as need be. You don't need to take any long classes or go to lengthy tutorials to learn how to use these products. One of the things that is beneficial from using electronic platforms is that you can see in more real time or more current times what's happening on your account. So if you're concerned about fraud, you're more likely to detect it and intervene if you're monitoring those balances, making people comfortable just sending or receiving.
The future of pay is digital.